What is up, YouTube? I have a unboxing I want to do here, and yes, I did already unbox it because we have some unfortunate damage. So here we have it, Dji Mavic Pro. The box is damaged slightly, and I did already open this because I was so aggravated that it did come with some damage on the box, but there we have it. It looks like everything's good here. This is the damaged side of the box, and the remote looks to be in perfect shape. That's good. The knobs all feel strong. Oh. Batteries are in here, obviously, are a little charge. This feels good. That feels good. Seems to be new. If it has been used, they've tricked me, but I did pay $6.99 for this. So if it was to be a little used, I couldn't say I'd be mad. And this thing looks brand new. No signs of damage. No scratches. I mean, it looks brand new. Let's see. Everything's folding out nice. I'm a bit OCD, and I do not see any damage on this thing at all. I had a slight concern about it being refurbished, just because when these crash, it's pretty violent, so thought maybe it might have had a piece of part that was a victim of a crash, but it looks like if they have any damage at all, they are completely replaced. Let's see what else we have here. A bunch of USB cables, another USB cable, another USB cable, and a charger. This is the plug. There's a silicone cover for the gimbal protector. I assume this will be instructions. Indeed, brand new. And a charger, also brand new, or in a brand new bag, but sure looks brand new. Okay. The repellers. Two of them in a little bag. Oh, okay, nice. So we have two here. And I'm assuming we have two more here. We do. Alright, so the only assembly this thing needs is putting the correct prop on the correct side. Now you're going to see a little white ring right here. That's on this little white motor. If you can see here, there's a quick release setup, and all you do is push down and twist. Props on. Same thing. Push down and twist. And now your props are locked on. And just make sure you give them a little left and right. And yes, all these props are brand new. There's no nicks. Everything seems solid. Everything's smooth. And I will say, this controller is way heavier than I thought it'd be. This is like, I mean, it's actually very impressive, the quality of it. More micro switches in the back. I'm sure it's for photos or videos. Return to home, your power button. It seems like there's some aluminum. The tips of the controller are aluminum, really bite your finger well. Let's see how these open. Okay. Yeah, really nice. This is just my take on a refurbished unit. Pretty much just showing you what you're getting. And I'll try to do a video here shortly of it flying. Oops. So if you like this video, feel free to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.